सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो एवरीवन, once again welcome to our Nehra Classes YouTube channel and I am your friend Vikas Nehra this side. Friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how can you write a simple bash script to perform the mathematical operations in Linux. And soon we are going to start free live training on bash scripting, and if you are interested to learn it, then you can join our training program, and for the updates on this training you can join our Telegram group. So without wasting our precious time, let's get started. Guys, this is the script. I have already written this in the notepad, and this script is capable of performing these operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four operations can be performed by this script on two numbers. The numbers may be the decimal numbers or the integers. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to just copy this script and paste it in a new file with the help of VI editor. So I have created a new file with the VI editor and I have pasted all the contents of this script in this file and save this file. First I will show you how does it work, and after that I will teach you what are the different segments in this script and how it is working. So if you want to run this script, you have to set the permission. I'm going to provide the execute permission to this script, and then we can either use this dot and forward slash and the script name to run it, or we can use sh and the script name. Here it is prompting us to provide us the input for the script. Here it is asking us to mention two numbers. So let us suppose 32 is the first number and 38 is the second number. In case I want to perform the addition, then it is providing us the four options and the addition is on number 1. So here we will mention number 1 and press enter. So it will show us the result, and the result is 70, which is absolutely correct. Again, I'm going to try with some different numbers. So this time I have used sh command to execute the script. It is asking me to provide the numbers. 2.5 is the first number and 4.5 is the second number. This time I'm going to perform the subtraction. So for subtraction, mention 2 here, and it is showing the result as -2, which is absolutely right. Again, let me show you how does it perform the multiplication. First number 4, second number -3. For multiplication, mention 3 here, so result is -12, which is correct. Again, this time I will show you the division. 46 is the first number and 2 is the second number. For division, mention 4 here and press enter, and the result is 23, which is absolutely correct. So our script is working perfectly fine. Now let me explain the script. As you know that all the bash scripts start with bang /bin/bash. So we have mentioned here /bin/bash. The system is not going to read the second line since it is already commented. It is for our understanding. In the third line we have mentioned echo, and inside the double inverted commas we have mentioned enter the two numbers for the operation. So whenever we will execute the script, this line will be printed since we have used the echo operator here. So if you will execute the script, you will see this first line. So this line is asking us to provide the numbers as the input for the script. Then whatever inputs we will mention here, let us suppose if I mention number 40 here and press enter, then this 40 will be read by the system and that will be stored in this variable x. After that I will mention the second number and press enter. So this second number, that is 50 in this case, this will be stored in this variable y. So system will read both these inputs and store the values in these variables. Then after pressing the enter, system displays this line, enter your choice of operation. So here the system has asked us for the desired operation, what kind of operation we are trying to execute. So here we have mentioned echo, and inside inverted commas we have mentioned 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication, and 4 for division. So whatever input we will provide here, let us suppose for addition if we mention 1 here, so this 1 will be stored in this ch character, ch variable. So system will take the input from us and store the value in this. Then the script will use the switch case to perform the operation. Here in this case it is already having the values of this, of the inputs from us in this ch variable. So here it is telling the system, for 1 the system needs to execute echo $x plus $y, means it is going to perform the addition, since x and y are already having the values of the inputs which we have mentioned in the during the execution of the script. And after that we have mentioned 2 for the subtraction, so this line is performing the subtraction. Third line is mentioned in the script for performing the multiplication, and similarly the fourth one is there for the division. And the result has been stored in this res variable, and the system after the execution of the script is showing the result with the help of this variable. It is calling the value of this variable with this $res. So in this way the result is getting displayed on the screen. So now let me show you some more operations, some difficult operations. Here this time I am mentioning first number as 0 and second number as 2. Now if we are going to perform the division, means we are going to divide this 0 by 2, then the result should come as 0. So here also our script is working perfectly fine. Now if I mention the first number as 5 and second number as 0, and again I am going to perform the division, so it will give an error, because anything divided by 0 is not defined in maths. So because of that it is showing this error. So here it is again working perfectly fine. Now I am going to test this script on larger numbers. So I am going to try this on these numbers, and here I am going to perform the multiplication. So I will mention 3 here, and here you can see the result. It is again showing the correct result. That means our script is working perfectly. If you need this script, you can copy it from the description of the video. I will provide you this script there, and as well as in our Telegram channel. And again I will request you, if you are interested in learning bash scripting, then you can join us on our Telegram channel. I will provide you the link of Telegram channel in the description of this video. And I hope that you would have enjoyed this video. If you like my hard work, then please give a like to this video and do share it with your friends. And if you are new on our channel, then subscribe us and turn on the bell notification for the latest update of our videos. I will see you in any other session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.